they go for parlor facial, this asana is called Saundarya Vardhakasana. Thousands of people underwent for the surgery. This is one of the very special asana in yoga. Namaste. Once again, welcome to Raghavendra Yoga channel. Today, I am teaching very simple yet very beneficial asana, Simhasana, a lion pose. First, let us see how to do that. First, you need to sit in a Vajrasana or in Sukhasana. Better to sit in a Vajrasana. You need to take your left leg on the right leg. You need to squat the legs. Legs position should be like this. You need to widen the fingers on the knee joints, then stick the tongue out. Start breathe through the mouth like a lion. Maintain the vision upwards. You should practice for 60 seconds. Then inhale, come to the Vajrasana pose and relax. You should relax for 30 to 60 seconds. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. You need to take the right leg upwards. Right knee should be little above from the floor. Then widen the fingers on the knee joints. Exhale and stick the tongue out. Breathe through the mouth. Here you need to visualize the legs. In the first one, you are maintaining the vision upwards. You are looking upwards. Now you need to look at the legs. You need to apply the pressure on all the area of the face. You should practice for 60 seconds. Then inhale, come to the Vajrasana pose and relax. This is one of the very special asana in yoga. You can practice after Surya Namaskara, not after Shavasana. This asana prevents most of the problems of the throat, like itching, burning sensation, pain, swelling, etc. It removes the toxins from the throat. Water is flowing from one side to another. There you will find the fungi. Similarly, food is moving from mouth to the bowels. There you will find the fungi kind of things, toxins. It will get accumulate in the throat, which causes many problems. Thousands of people underwent for the surgery. The toxins can be removed by this asana easily. Next thing, this asana prevents thyroid problems. It is essential asana for singers. This asana is called Saundarya Vardhakasana because this asana maintains the glow of the skin. Most of the film actors will practice in the hidden timing. Even in our class also, many film actors will do this asana without miss. This asana prevents wrinkling on the skin before the old age. It prevents a dark circle. And it equal to that facial. When they go for parlor facial, they will get a shine of skin for 3 days or 4 days. But in Simhasana, you can maintain the glow of skin lifetime. Even as well as you wake up also, you will be with the same shine. And you should not overstretch here. You find slight cough if you try to overstretch the tongue. So what do you want to do? You should not overstretch the tongue. Who should not do this? Pregnant women should not do this. Next thing, the person who is suffering from cardiac trouble should not do this asana. We will meet you in the next episode with a great yogic topic. Happy time.